Thinking of starting a new series of making my fiance lunches. We're gonna unpack his lunch from today and then repack it. So we got leftover steak and rice and his water bottle, and that's it. And I had no idea, but we don't have any ice packs or anything, so he eats like warm lunches. But I saw this sandwich recipe on TikTok and I think it sounds delicious. I'm gonna make myself one for lunch tomorrow also. So go in with a bag of lettuce. I'm gonna put it on this tray because it's gonna be very messy. Going in with some ham, salami, some pepperoni. We're gonna chop it up. I need one of those choppers. I'm thinking we need a little more meat. I'm gonna do 2 more pieces of ham, a couple more pepperoni, and some more salami. Some red onion. And then this recipe calls for tomato, but neither of us like tomatoes, so salt, pepper. You can never have enough pepper. Some banana peppers. Chopping that up. You're gonna do a scoop of mayo and a little bit of red wine vinegar. I have no idea how much to do, you guys. I'm gonna end up doing too much. A little bit of Italian seasoning, or Italian. We're gonna mix that all up. Now we're gonna come in with some provolone cheese. One last chop. We're gonna divide it into 3 sandwiches. And then I would put it right on the hoagie bun right now, but he doesn't work, or he won't be eating for another like 14 hours, and I don't want the bread to be soggy. So I'm just gonna put this in a container and then put the bread in a separate bag. All right, it doesn't fit in the baggie, so I'm gonna wrap it in tinfoil. I'm glad that I realized this now, but it's not pre-cut, so I need to cut it quick. All right, we're gonna put the toppings in this container. And I'm gonna have the same lunch tomorrow, so I'm gonna put the rest in here. Gonna go wash these. Also gonna go wash these. Let's do the cheddar and sour cream. Even though I'm gonna take all of this back out and put it back in the fridge, I'm just gonna pretend like I'm packing his lunch. Just need ice packs now. Also gonna add a couple of Slim Jims. There we go.